Hi there, this is 5 minutes training videos and this is part 2 of the common Turkmen phrases. Nefi porta, God willing. Hiçtat, nothing. Bolya, okay. Bolyamen, is that okay? Bolanok, it's not okay. Sağlık worten, may we stay healthy. Sağlık worten is a phrase which people resort to in the face of some difficulties. They say, well, we have these issues, but at least let our health be with us. Tavret, bless you. Adın neme, what's your name? Mathaluchin, for example. Tanrı yakatın, God bless you. Tanrı yakatın could be an equivalent of thank you. Tanrı yakatın. Ben yaradım. I'm tired. Gayret et. Please try to carry on. Or please help me in doing this. Gayret et is a phrase of encouragement which is used to say, please don't give up. Please make an effort. Ben seni halayan. I like you. Arman. More power to you. Arman is a phrase which is used when you see that people are in the middle of doing some work and you say, don't get tired, more power to you. Arman. And the nice way to respond to it would be, barolong. Thank you. Tueleme, well done. Good değmesin, touch wood or don't jinx it. Alada etme, don't worry. Ginwol. Ginwol is another phrase of encouragement which is used when you see that people have some anxiety over something and you tell them, don't take it too close to your heart. Be calm, feel more relaxed. Ziyanı yok. There is no harm. Well, that's it for today. Sağ olun. Goodbye. All the best to you.